I'm going to walk you through dynamic file organization in Easy File Drop. I'll explain how it works, how to set it up, and mention a few best practices. Now, here's our scenario, which is a common one, and why you'd really want to use dynamic file organization. Our company hosted a picnic for employees, vendors, and customers. It was huge, a ton of people there. Now, I want to collect photos and videos from everyone that was there. Now, at the picnic, everyone was part of one of 4 teams, and I want to use that information to organize all the uploaded content in Google Drive. Here's how we do that. We'll start by looking at the upload form. I've already created fields for people to type in their name, email, company, and team name and notes. Now, on team name, this is a predefined drop-down list of the 4 teams. Now, based on the user's selection, Easy File Drop is going to use that to organize the photos in Google Drive. So let's jump over to Easy File Drop and see how to set that up. All right, here's our form that I've already made. I'll go ahead and edit it. If we scroll down, we can see the form fields that you just saw earlier. We'll go over to Upload Destination. Now here, I'm going to reset this so we can do it together. We're going to use Google Drive as our destination. So here's the first thing we do is we're going to choose the root folder where everything's going to go. So I already have a folder here called Customer Picnic, and I'm going to use that. If I didn't have that, I could simply create a new folder on Google Drive right here. So I'm going to use my Customer Picnic folder. Now, we could stop here, right? And everyone that uploads content will just get dumped in this folder. Now, again, like I said, I have tons of people who are at the event, and I'm sure everyone's going to submit 10, 20 photos, maybe more. So we want to take this even further. What we're going to do is we're going to hit the plus here, and this is going to create a dynamic subfolder. If you click this drop down here, here are all of our available options to organize the content by. So I'm going to choose team name. Now what that's going to do is it is going to use this form field and place it in a subfolder with that selection's name. For instance, the blue team. Now it's smart enough to first look to see if a folder with that name already exists in my Google Drive, and it'll use that, or it will create a new one called Blue Team if that folder doesn't already exist. So now I want to take this even one step farther. Let's hit the plus again, and I'm going to add another dynamic subfolder, and I'm going to do this by the uploader's name. So now we're going to have 2 levels of dynamic subfolders being created upon every upload. So what this is going to look like is we have our Customer Picnic folder. Then we're in that, we're going to have 4 folders with the team names. And then within each team name, we'll have a series of folders based on the uploader's name. Then within there will be all the content. Now that is super cool and super powerful. Another thing to note here is my options for these dynamic subfolders come right from our form. So you have to set your form up first before you come set this. So let's save our form. And now let's go upload some content. I'll go ahead and quickly fill out the form. I'll go ahead and select my photos, add them to the drop zone, and I'll click Submit. You can watch those upload, and boom, they're up. Back in Easy File Drop, we can navigate to the submissions for that form, and I can see here what I just submitted. Now, the really exciting part. Let's go see how those files were organized in Google Drive. So here's my Customer Picnic folder that I'm using as the root folder for this upload form. Here we can see the team names. What's great here is Easy File Drop made these folders right here. Now we were on the blue team. Oh, and look at that. We've got our folder right here full of the photos that we just uploaded. Easy File Drop's dynamic file organization engine automatically organized my files by team name and then the uploader's name. Now remember, I did not create any of these subfolders in Google Drive. Easy File Drop did it automatically. This is a very simple example, but hopefully it shows you the incredible power and flexibility of dynamic file organization in Easy File Drop. If you have questions about a specific use case or need help getting your upload form set up, reach out to us and someone from our team will be happy to help.